how to use your LLC to get a loan. This video contains affiliate links and I earn a referral fee if you use the services mentioned at no extra cost to you because they're the best in the industry. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So, if you've formed an LLC or you're planning to, and you want to know, can I use my LLC to get a loan? The answer is yes, but only if you treat your LLC like a real business. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to use your LLC to apply for a loan, whether it's a bank loan, SBA funding, or online lenders, and how to build business credit so you don't have to rely on your personal finances. Plus, I'll show you how Busy helps you structure your LLC correctly from the start so you're ready when it's time to borrow. Click the link in the description to start or manage your LLC with busy.com. They'll help you form your LLC for free, get your EIN, and stay compliant for funding opportunities. So, the question is why lenders care about your LLC setup. So, if you want a loan, your LLC must look and operate like a real business. So, here what lenders look for. They look for a legally formed LLC, an employer identification number from the IRS, a business bank account, proper bookkeeping, annual compliance like BOI reports, and state filings. This builds legitimacy, and when it's time to apply for a loan, lenders will actually take you seriously. If you skip this step, your application might get denied even if you have a perfect credit. That's why using a service like Busy is so helpful. It makes sure your LLC is clean, compliant, and ready for funding. Now, if you wish to use your LLC to apply for a loan, click the link in the description below and you will be redirected to Busy. Select your state and then you get to select whether you want Busy to act as your registered agent, that is free for first year, or you would like to act as your own registered agent. And you'll also need an EIN. Busy gets your EIN for free, even if you don't have an SSN. But if you already have EIN and you don't want Busy to obtain it, you'll have an option for that too. After that, once your LLC is set up, you get to open a business bank account, use your LLC name and EIN, keep personal money separate from business funds. Then you get to build business credit. Start with vendor accounts like Uline, Quill, or Nav. Then apply for net 30 accounts and small business cards like Capital One Spark or Chase Inc. Even if your LLC is new, lenders may ask for articles of organization, operating agreement, EIN letter, business plan, revenue projection. So you gotta choose your loan type after that, such as SBA loans, business line of credit, equipment loans, online lenders. Use your LLC's name on the application, not your personal name, and make sure all the documents match. So all of the entrepreneurs trust Busy for its free LLC formation with EIN and free registered agent for 1 year. If you're serious about getting funding for your LLC, make sure your foundation is legit, and that's where Busy comes in. So if you want to use your LLC to get a loan, click the link in the description to form or manage your LLC with Busy and make sure you're loan ready from day one. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.